12.1, Introducing Rates. The objectives is to introduce rates and to provide practice collecting and comparing rate data. So, look at the multiplication/division diagram on MathMasters page 423. Let's figure out some of these mental math questions. There are 9 stickers per sheet, so how many stickers would be on 5 sheets? Well, if there's 1 on 9, I'd have to take 5 times 9, which would be 45. If I took 7 times 9, that would be 63, and 9 times 9 would be 81. Correct. Notice the importance of knowing your multiplication facts. If there are 40 blocks on a shelf, how many books would be on 10 shelves? Well, 40 times 10 would be 400. 40 times 30 would be 1200, because 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 zeros. And 40 times 50 would be 2000. And the last one, if pencils cost $1.20 per box, what is the cost of 4 boxes? Well, $1.20 times 4 is $4.80. $1.20 times 6 is $7.20. And $1.20 times 11 would be $13.20. Look at the math message below. It says find the median for each set of numbers. And it gives you A and it gives you B. Go ahead and try to do this on your own. Push pause and then go to the next page. The median of a set of numbers is the middle number when the numbers are listed in order from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. 9 is the median of the first set of numbers because in the ordered list of 3, 4, 7, 9, 9, 12, 15, the number 9 is in the middle. If there is an even number of numbers in the set, the median is the mean or the average of the 2 middle numbers. In the ordered list of 2, 6, 9, 10, there are 2 middle numbers. The median is not 6 or 9. You should take 6 plus 9, divide by 2, and that would give you 7.5. So, in lesson 12.1, you're going to look at rates. When you come to this page, I want you to come back and tell me because the class is going to do this with you. Facts about the world. Continents are large land masses. There are 7 continents on the earth. Although Europe and Asia are sometimes thought of as one continent, most continents contain many countries, but there are no countries at all in Antarctica. A country is a territory, and the people who live there are under one government. The number of countries in the world often changes as countries split apart or join with other countries. At this time, there are about 200 countries in the world. Population is the number of people who live in a certain region. Population growth is the change in the population every year after all births and deaths are accounted for. The population growth rate is the increase or decrease in population per year, written as a percent. The world's population is now increasing by about 200,000 people per day, or about 75 million people per year. Over the last 40 years, the world's population has about doubled. It reached the 6 billion mark in 1999. World population is expected to reach about 9 billion people by the year 2050. So go ahead and just look at the different continents that it's showing here below. Here's North America, the population, 509 million. Percent of the world population, we are actually only about 8%. The area in square miles is 8,300,000 square miles. Percent of land area, we own about 14.8%. So if you look down here, look at Asia. Asia has 3,797,000,000 for population. They are almost 60% of the world population. But yet they don't have that much more area per square miles. They're only doubled what we are, but they are 29.8% of the land area. And again, per 1,000 people. Make sure that you're seeing that up here. It says per 1,000 people. It's telling you region 1s through 5. How many people own televisions, how many have radios, telephones, cars, and the percent that is literate, that can read and write. So counting with fractions and decimals, let's do the first one together just to review real quickly. Again, how many sections on there? Well, there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So this first line would be the first line, so it's 1/3. Second line, this would be 2/3. Sorry about my writing, it's not very good using this pen. And of course that would make my whole 3/3. Go ahead and finish this page and check it in the answer key. And 12.1 study length. Look for examples of rates in newspapers and magazines and on labels. Study the 2 examples below and then list some of the examples you find. You may take this home and do it as homework, but I'd like to see it the next day. Make sure to do the practice on the bottom.